Hi boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Learn a Skill with me, where each week you get the opportunity to learn a new skill with me. I am your host, Jerron Morris, and today we'll be decorating cookies. To help us decorate cookies today, we have Miss Curly to show us this process. Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning. It's a pleasure to be here. So today I'm going to teach you all today how to decorate cookies, and our theme for today is Easter cookie decorating.
So, Miss Curly, tell us, what are some of the items we'll need to decorate cookies?
All right. So firstly, you'll need your cookies, right? So some freshly baked cookies. You could get some nice shaped cutters like chickens, rabbits, or even a simple egg shape or a circle shape to get the beauty of a Easter cookie. You will need icing, you will need a scissors, you will need a tool by the name of a Scribe tool, or you could even use a toothpick and some edible markers.
Oh, that sounds so interesting. Let's get started.
So we're going to begin by cutting the tip of our icing bag, a very small cut, and this is going to be the pink of the ears that we're going to pipe now. So we're simply squeezing our bag to outline where we want our icing to go. And then what we're going to do now is fill in that area. So you're going to use a pumping technique. You're going to use your Scribe tool or a toothpick to even out your icing in this area. And we let this set for 10 minutes. Moving on to our next step, using white to outline the whole cookie. What we're going to do now is fill the entire cookie with our white icing. Now we're going to take our tool and evenly distribute the icing on the cookie. Give it a light tap so the icing will settle and you will get a smooth surface. And you're going to leave that for 20 minutes to set. Right, so we allow our cookie to set a little. So now we're going to add the eyes and the nose. So using black icing, we're going to pipe 2 eyes. Like so. You're going to use some white icing just to add highlights to your eye. And for your nose, we're going to use pink icing, and you're going to squeeze the shape of a heart. And now we're going to leave it to dry for 10 minutes. Okay, so our cookie is completely dried. So what we're going to be using now is an edible marker to draw in the eyebrows. And the whiskers. And that's the end of our Easter bunny cookie. So from This technique, you could actually make any shape for any occasion, any birthday, your parents' anniversary. You could take hard cookies and make for Valentine's. Yes, so you could just elaborate on what we did here today on this Easter cookie for any cookie shape.
Miss Colleen, that was such a fun process decorating these cookies with you
Yes,
today.
it was, indeed.
We have this cute bunny that we created, and I see you also have others as
So
well.
what we did a carrot also and a chicken. From the basics that you all learned today, you all could actually make cookies for any occasion. So Mother's Day is coming up. So surprise your mother with some cookies. So she'll buy ingredients for you to do other cookies.
That's so cool. Thank you for sharing this skill with us today. Let's review the steps.
Right, so we're going to start off with our freshly baked cookies and our icing. So our first step is flooding our cookies with our icing. Then we use the technique of a wet on wet technique to add details. You will leave it on the counter for 20 minutes to set, to dry, and then you could package or enjoy.
So, Ms. Colleen, tell us, what are some of the careers kids can get into utilizing the skills learned here today?
Okay, so there's a few options. They can become bakers, they could become pastry chefs and artisans to work in hotels and restaurants. They could become entrepreneurs to bake and sell cookies.
Those careers sound very interesting. Kids, there are many other careers you can get into utilizing the skills learned here today. We like to see what you create. So let mom or dad take a photo or video and send it to us via our social media platforms. Ms. Colleen, we'd like to thank you for showing us how we decorate cookies today.
It was a pleasure, and I look forward to see what you all create.
Remember, boys and girls, to like, share, and subscribe so that you will not miss another episode of Learn a Skill with me. Until next time, bye.
Bye.